In our previous class, we have done work on some basic visualization like heat map plot, dendrogram, chord diagram, and PCA. So in our next class, we will do more visualization in R with the help of AI. So please open RStudio. All participants, please open RStudio. All participants, please open RStudio and type done within Zoom chat. Import your ficus data. Okay, so first we need to define task. And today we are going to create a different type of chord diagram in R with the help of AI. So today our task is chord diagram in R. Okay, Akim, please first watch, understand, then I will give you time for practice. First, I am going to do practice in front of you. You watch, understand, follow step and perform task in given time. So when we want to perform any analysis with the help of AI, first step we need to take str. So take str, select str. And within bracket of str, type your file name, ficus, click and run. It will show you structure of your data in screen number 2. Copy structure. Open AI tool. Paste here and send message to ChatGPT. I want to create chord diagram in R. Paste and send message to ChatGPT. It will give you script in different steps. But I need all code in single script. So here is the full method for chord diagram. Copy, open R, paste in R, and run all these codes one by one from step number 1. So step number 1 is str, next, next, next. It's showing me object format not found because I have skipped few steps. That's why showing me formats. So here are the previous scripts where our data is converted into correlation matrix. So I need to write a message to ChatGPT. I need all code in single script. So if you are getting script in different steps, try to say to ChatGPT, I need all code in single script. ChatGPT will give you a single script for all code. Copy the script, open R, paste here, and run from line number 1. You just need to click on run button. Cursor automatically move to next step. Okay. Now all type of plots are saved in working directory folder. You can check on my side. Folder name chord diagram created. On my working directory folder, here are all figures, 4 figures. Correlation chord diagram. There is copy and share in group. Next is same plot but in different format in PDF. Copy and share. Okay. No, I have done this step. Please all confirm. Have you done? If you have done, type done within Zoom chat. And if you need any help, let me know. Now I am going to give you task. Chord diagram have many types. So we need to do practice for each and every type. I'm going to generate chord diagram name. Kim, also please share your output in group. And other participant, please confirm if you have done, type done, and if you are facing any error, let me know so that I can share your screen and we'll check where is issue on your side. No, thanks. No, I need name list of all types of chord diagram and send message. ChatGPT will give us a list of all types of chord diagram. Our task is generate all chord diagrams in R with the help of AI and ficus dataset. So here is the simple chord diagram. First name is simple chord diagram. Second is weighted chord diagram and directed chord diagram, symmetric chord diagram. So many types of chord diagrams are given here. So I need to write a message. I just need name list. Thanks. I just need name list and send message. Now it will give me a only name list. So here is the name list of chord diagram. More than 40, I think more than 50 types of chord diagrams are available. 50 types of chord diagram. Copy and sharing in group. Okay, now your task is copy the name of first chord diagram, simple chord diagram, weighted chord diagram. For example, I want to create a directed chord diagram. So copy name and say to ChatGPT, thanks. Now I want to create directed chord diagram in R. Also provide str of your dataset if you have not provided already. I already have provided str to ChatGPT, so I don't need to provide again and again. But you need to give your task again and again and send this message to ChatGPT. It will take few minutes. I have shared a list. Please all participant create all these plots one by one and share within group. I think not have shared. There is the name list. Copy and batch. I think first copy it again. Copy. Copy. and paste. Yes. Please check I have shared a name list in WhatsApp group. Your task is create all these type of plot one by one with the help of AI. I have a script, copy, open R. When you want to start a new script, give a line with hashtag so that it became a borderline between previous and new script. Paste here and run this line. Next, 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 next. You just need to click on run button. Cursor automatically move to next step. Now chord diagram created and saved in working directory folder. I need to open folder from home page. Here is a folder created, directed chord diagram results, and here is in the form of PNG and TIFF file and in Word file, in PDF file. I want to open in PNG, so here is the directed chord diagram. Right click, copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. Okay, now please perform your task. I am waiting for your plots in group. If you face any issue, any hurdle during creating plot, you can share your screen. If you have any question, you are allowed to ask. If clear, type clear and start your work. Oh, thank you, Canon. Okay, and now I am waiting for your output in group. So please draw your plots, all plots. It's a basic practice. Do this practice so that we can move toward our statistical analysis part. So hopefully in our next class, we are going to start our statistical analysis. But for performing statistical analysis, you need to do practice on this task. Otherwise, you will be unable to perform in statistical analysis part because you need these basic things. In our statistical analysis, we will not discuss how we can create script, how we can resolve errors. In our statistical, our focus will be on plot, will be on statistical results, not on script. So please, all participant must do practice. Otherwise, you will be unable to perform statistical analysis in next step. Okay. So now I am waiting for your output. If you are working, please confirm me and share your output within group. And if you have any question, you are also allowed to ask. Now I am just going to stop recording. Class is live. You can share your screen when you face issue. Okay. So just going to stop recording.